So ever had a song you just couldn't figure out the timing on? Well, that was me, and I've been playing for 30 years. So don't feel bad. But this song with Charity Gayle, We Need a Miracle, the timing was a little funny until I learned to count a little different than I normally do. So if you're a person that counts, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and you count to keep your timing, well, there's a little trick to do this song. Well, let's listen to it real quick. Now just in the intro, you could tell there's like a shifting. It's like it's syncopated. It's like It's not like It's not a steady rhythm. So if you just start trying to like find that feeling without counting, you're going to be like I was, struggling to find the exact timing of that. So now let me count using eights. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're going to go on the 1, 1, 2, 3, on the 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And if you want to watch us sing this song at church, click right here. Till next time, guys. Thanks for watching. God bless.